French cycling hero Robert Marchand has announced his retirement at the age of 106. Last year, Marchand pedaled for 14 miles in an hour, setting a new record for his age group. The category had to be specially created for him, and he had no competition. His retirement is nearly twice the average retirement age in France and 3 to 4 times the age at which top-notch athletes usually bow out. Marchand will continue to cycle on his stationary bike at his modest studio apartment in Paris.
Vous savez, monsieur, on met 9 mois pour arriver au monde, et puis on met 30 secondes pour claquer. Alors, vous savez...